Hi, everybody. This section will help you go through about the human scanning with Einstar. So let's get it started.
After you get into the scan software, the first thing you want to do is double check if the calibration data is up to date. Then we can start a new project group. Make sure you choose the portrait mode. And we were going to use feature alignment for human scanning. The best resolution would be 1.0 millimeter. If you choose a smaller resolution, you will get too much data and the noise might be higher. And you can turn on the texture scan based on your purpose. If you need the color, you can turn on the texture scan. If you want to print something without color, non-texture is good enough. And click on confirm. We can get into the scan interface.
Okay, when we started, the first thing you want to do is try to bring up the working distance to 1400. That could help you to get a larger working distance and get more data at the same time. Then we can click on the play button to get into the preview. In this step, you want to go and adjust the scan distance to the green, and then you can double click the play button to bring up the brightness a little bit, because if the hair is dark, you're going to want a higher brightness to capture the hair as well. And then we can click start to scan. We recommend to start from the face and have the full face scanned first. Then you go around the head to get the hair. Okay. And here, try not to go back to the face again. Otherwise, you might have some misalignment. You can go for the body now after you finish the face part. During scanning, make sure you have a good scan distance. You can check the distance bar on the left. And the other thing would be try to make sure that the scanner is looking straight at the scan surface. And on the screen, you can see that we opened the data quality indicator, and you would be able to see different colors on the model. Try to get them green, but if you cannot, just try to stay more times on those areas to get a more complete data. You might need to scan in different angles to have a more thorough data. All right, after the scan finished, we can click on the generating point cloud. Now we can go mesh model. Usually you can choose watertight if you want to for the human body scanning. Another very useful function would be the cutting plane tool. I do recommend you doing it after human scan. You see that we have the surrounding, especially the ground, been captured as well. And usually we want to cut out the ground. What you can do is you can hold shift and use the left mouse button to construct a line. And we can intersect plane. And you can see all the ground data has been selected. Just click on the delete selection and close the intersection. Here, apply. The software will try to cut out the ground and form a pure flat plane on the bottom of your foot. This would be very good if you want to use data for 3D printing. And it's also good to clean out the data to delete the ground data. Now it's a clean cutout. Another thing you can do is if you click on the line button, it will align the data to the work coordinate system so that it will look more straight. And confirm. And here we go. You can see the scan data is pretty good. And that's it.